All right, good morning, everybody. It is January 15th today, I think, and heading out to do some more jump shooting today. Just gonna be Joey and I. Jeff had to work last night, so he's not gonna be joining us. But it's just gonna be me at the first spot because Joey's running late. Yeah, it's quite cold out there. The last week has been in the 40s and been real nice. And yesterday was 50 degrees with practically no wind, and as the day progressed, the wind got stronger and stronger until right now it's 20 degrees out with a real feel of like 10 degrees, so. And it's not supposed to reach 30 today, I don't think. So it's gonna be a cold one, but I'm at the first spot. Seems to be low tide still, but tide's coming in. High tide's supposed to be around 9:15-ish, sometime around there this morning. So I'm just gonna get dressed, scout out the area with the binoculars quick to see what's going on out there, and then walk out, see if I can find any birds. All right, well, the first spot was a bust. I didn't actually go down in there, I just looked over with the binoculars and I only saw half a dozen geese and maybe 2 black ducks, that's it. Tide was still low and it didn't seem like it was really coming in hard yet, so there was no point in making that long walk to go and get nothing. But I'm at the second spot now. I see 2 Drake buffleheads out on the main creek here, but that's about it. And just gonna wait for Joey. Then we're gonna take a walk up into the woods and then out into the marsh. We'll see if we can jump something up. Ooh, you see that? No. Crow just flew right down the creek right there. 2 of them. Oh, Jess, get over here, get out of the way. If we shoot a crow, run down to the bank and just lay down on the bank, because they're gonna fly back out, I'm guessing. Jasmine. When he comes up and dives again, you want to run down there? Yeah. Okay. Run down to the point. Let's go. Oops. Get down. Stay. Over top. Yeah, I see it. Come on, Jazz. Jesus. No, I think he might be dead. You see that chunk of mud that's in the water there? And you see right to the right of it, that sun's hitting that bank right after the shady spot. He's right against that sunny spot, like in that little divot. You can see the little white spot bobbing up and down. That's his head right there. You want to sit here and just watch that? I'm gonna go get the kayak. Yeah. Shouldn't have any problem getting him. No, yeah. That should slow down from up there. Yeah, just keep an eye on it. Yeah, I see it.
God, I think this one took enough shells. Jesus. Jesus. Finally, Drake black duck. Huh?
Fighting the wind in?
Yeah.
What is it?
Black duck.
It is black duck. Nice. Made us work for that one.
Yeah, a titanium duck, more like Jesus Christ. My God.
Dude had a Kevlar vest.
Yeah. The most expensive duck I think I've ever gotten.
Me too, dude.
Yeah, no kidding.
Did you knock it down or did I?
I don't know.
One of us knocked it down.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh shit, like, we should get that right after.
Oh. Nice. All right.
Alright, so we're at our next location, and right in the parking area there's 2 black ducks sitting right there and a couple buffalo heads out behind it. It's a dirt parking area, so we can shoot in it. Joey's gonna go to the other parking area on the other side over here. He's gonna walk up, see if he can jump the black ducks and get a shot off of them. And if he doesn't, hopefully they'll fly over me, or the buffalo heads will, and one of us will be able to get one of these ducks.
Nice. That's a pretty one. Sweet. Drake buffalo head. See what he does. If he dives again, we'll run up there.
Yeah.
Is that seagull?
No.
Oh, this one. Flying?
Yeah, dude, it's a group or something.
Really? High or low?
It was pretty low. You seen the shoot?
Yeah, I saw the shadow.
Yeah.
Oh, right there. Buffalo heads. Just landed back in the cove.
Oh, they are buffalo.
Yeah. Here. Okay.
Buffalo heads.
We're gonna go around the island, and you see that point out there?
Yeah.
We're gonna go sit on that point. They're gonna fly right out to us.
Okay.
Let's go. Alright, let's hustle out to that point out there. Oh, I'm gonna shoot. Once we pass this street, I'm gonna shoot to the left there and see if I can push it back this way. I think he's gonna fly out that way either way, but just in case.
Yeah, let's try and get a shot off.
Okay, yeah. Here he comes! Nice! Woo! Nice! Yeah, nice shot.
Hey.
I know, you're waiting for it to get past the car.
I went past the car and I couldn't even see it.
be the prettiest one of the year. Where'd you even hit him? I don't see any blood coming out.
I know. A little in the mouth.
Oh, okay, yeah. Sweet.
Nice.
It's a weird spot for mud to be. Oh no, there's ducks right there. Yep. I'll stay up here just because I don't want her like running out into the marsh after we shoot.
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna get down there.
Yeah.
I'm right at them.
I would just get down into the brush right here, and once you're down there, I'll shoot, and hopefully they fly over us. Just get down low so they don't spot you. Yeah. Yeah. Did they? I'll let another shot off once the helicopter leaves. Did you see him up here? I saw the shadows. Yep. Hey, bird. Yep.
Oh, one's going down.
Yeah. Where's Jess? Right there. Here, Jess. Right here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Jess. Drop. All right. Man, mangled him on one side. Jesus. It's a big one, too. Sweet. Look at that. Nice bird. I don't know how I missed those geese. How we both did. That's pretty bad. Shooting on our both parts. You know.
That just seems like it's fine. Damn.
Yeah, big guy, huh? Another big one.
That thing is huge.
You're right.
That thing is huge, dude.
Yeah, that goose is very lively.
Yeah, he was plenty lively.
Yeah.
We probably took a couple feathers out. I don't see it.
Mm-hmm.
We might have caught a pellet. There he is. See him?
Yep.
That's him.
That's the one that you hit?
There's this group too. Or
Okay.
Another group.
Oh, yeah.
But I know that's him because he went down towards the house right there.
Yeah.
Took a left, and I was like, oh, he's probably gonna get up with this group. He probably sees this group now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it looks like he's going to him.
Yeah, he seems pretty lively.
All right, so Joey and I ended up with 4 ducks total. He ended up with a bufflehead drake, and I ended up with 2 black ducks and a bufflehead. As you can see, these are 2 black ducks. This is the first one that I got. This is the second one. Here's the 2 of them side by side. This second one is way bigger. Way, way bigger. I mean, if this one here didn't get ripped from the fall, falling into the briars there, got a nice rip right there, I would have mounted this guy because he's a beauty. But there's the bufflehead too. So overall, not a bad morning for only a couple spots that we hit. The high tide definitely made it hard to sneak up on these birds. I mean, when they're out in the marsh like that, out in the open water, there's no way to really sneak up on them unless it's a lower tide and they're down in the ditches to where they can't see you when you're walking through the marsh.
overall, not a bad morning, just for the two of us. We definitely should have had some geese there. I think they were just moving a little quicker than we thought they were with the heavy winds, and we weren't leading them as much as we should have been. So with these ducks, I'm gonna be making a Hawaiian type pizza with them. In one of my last videos, one of my subscribers, Josh Whitcop, suggested in the comments that I soak them in pineapple juice overnight, and that gets rid of the fishy low tide taste that these ducks have. So I'm gonna try that, and I figured if I'm gonna be soaking them in pineapple juice, I might as well put pineapple on the pizza as well with the duck chunks and see how that turns out. So I'm gonna get these guys cleaned up, get them into the fridge, and I'll see you guys all in the kitchen. All right, so first step is I'm gonna take the boneless breasts from the ducks, dice them up into small cubes, set them aside quick, get out a bowl, gonna fill the bowl with pineapple juice. Then I'm just gonna take the meat, put it into the pineapple juice, and add more just to make sure it's completely submerged. Quickly mix it all together. Then I'm just gonna cover it and stick it into the fridge. And when it's time to start cooking, time to turn the oven on the 450 degrees, get that warming up. Then I'm gonna take the meat, drain out all the liquids. Once that's draining, I'm gonna turn the stove top onto medium-high. Get out my pan. Grease the pan with some raccoon grease. And once the oil's heated up, just gonna add the meat into the pan and keep stirring it until it's nice and browned. Once it's browned, just gonna drain out all the liquid, set it aside. Gonna take out my sourdough pizza dough that my sister made, start stretching it out. Once I got it all stretched, just gonna lay it onto the pizza pan. Fold in the corners to hold in the sauce. Add on a bunch of sauce and evenly spread it around. Add on the mozzarella cheese. Then the diced pineapple. And then the duck. Just get it nice and evenly spread throughout the whole pizza. Once that's done, oven should be heated nicely. Just gonna stick the pizza into the oven for about 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, the pizza should be done. Time to take it out, let it cool down. All right, so I've got a slice of the pizza here. Let's see how this is. I can still taste the duck a little bit, but not nearly as strong as usual. I only left it in the pineapple juice for probably like 6 hours. I bet if you left it in there overnight for like 24 hours, you wouldn't be able to taste that diver duck taste at all. But other than that, tastes like a Hawaiian pizza. Really, really good. Definitely something I recommend trying for yourself. But that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys all next time.